In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight in Xodo. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Comment tab up top, which is the second tab, and then you have two different options. The first one is here under Markups. You can click on this first one, which is the Highlight Text tool. So you can just click on it like that, and you can go ahead and just hover over the text you wish to highlight. So, for example, like this, as you can see, I'm highlighting my text. Whenever I release my left mouse button, there we go, we now have a highlight. Now, over here, it's going to pop up like a few settings, and you can just click on here to actually select the color. So for example, if I want this like light blue, I can click on it, there we go. And then you also have some different settings like appearance, general, and then status history as well over here. So if you want to play with that, you can do that too. And then if you want to delete your of course annotation, your highlight, you can go ahead and click on delete button here, and it's going to get deleted as well. So that's the first way. However, the second one is by going to the draw section over here and selecting this marker. And then the marker, this is going to also allow you to basically kind of highlight. However, this is better if you're actually highlighting different things which are in text, because text is by far the easiest to highlight if you just go ahead and do it like this using this highlight tool. But then if you're trying to highlight anything else, you can go ahead and of course use this marker tool and then highlight that just like this by drawing over it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.